honest mo sa ganyang sa naging past mo. Bakit tingin mo, Doc, na mahalaga tayong mga Katoliko na maging aware about spiritual warfare?
Importante talaga dahil sabi sa Ephesians chapter 6 verse 12, our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the powers of darkness of the heavenly realm. No? Pinanganak pa lang tayo, nagsisimula na ang warfare. It's already a war. This life is a war actually. Lalo na umigting nung tayo ay bininyagan bilang Katoliko, because the devil is really threatened with the Catholics, because the Catholic Church is the body of Christ. No? Whether we like it or not, we are in a warfare. Kaya importante talaga na ang mindset natin should be in a warfare against the devil. It is warfare about our souls. All of us dapat i-situate natin sa ating sarili na tayo ay mga sundalo ni Kristo, na nakikipagdigmaan. This is a warfare. Pag ganun ang mindset natin every day, that there is a forces that we do not see in our midst to pull us towards destruction, mas healthy ang ating spiritual life. Kaya it's high time na tayong mga Katoliko, dagdagan natin ang ating mindset, no? Na imulat natin ang ating mindset na hindi lang ito, it's about doing being good, avoiding evil, but it is actually this our life of ours is really a big war against the devil. Kasi you know that there are forces that who wants to destroy you, unseen forces, you will always be prepared. No? Pag ang focus mo ay spiritual warfare, hindi lang to siya tungkol sa deliverance ministry or mga monster or mga maligno. No, it's not about, it's about our soul. No? So you will always be on your feet. Naka-tiptoe ka parati. Hindi ka let down ng yung guard. Always arming ourselves. You are always being prayerful because you know that there is an enemy.